In order to change icon theme on the Realme GT 7T, the first thing that we're gonna do is go to the theme store. So find the theme store on your phone. Now over here, in this case, we need to download a theme that has icons that we like how they look like. So for example, if I go over here to this theme, I can see that, for instance, I like this icon theme, so I have to apply this theme. Now unfortunately, we will change wallpapers as well. So as you can see, we have applied the whole theme, including icons. But if you want to apply only icons, then of course now we can go back to the theme store. Let's actually exit here and let's go to me. We can choose my resources in order to find all themes that we have on our phone. So let's say I still want to use the default theme in general, except for the icon. So I'm gonna reapply the default theme. There we go. And let's go back to the theme store. Now we're gonna tap on the new theme that we just downloaded. And if you scroll down, you should be able to find applicability. In this case, we need to uncheck everything and just leave icons, and then we can press apply. So now, of course, we will only use the new icon theme. And this is how we can change the icon theme in general on Realme GT 7T. Besides that, we can also open settings, and if you go to wallpapers and style, you should be able to find icons, where we can also revert, of course, to the classic theme, and we also have different shapes and styles that you can use as well. So if you want to, you can use these too. And of course, remember to press apply. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.